and a big country. He dreamt of a rich country, of prosperity, of great men and women living in prosperity, a country that is so richly endowed by nature, where everybody will contribute to the growth of the country. But unfortunately, in spite of the massive wealth of this country, the whole wealth of the country is being looted, and people are no longer equal.
Cannot be counted for anything but this brought empowerment to the women.
Interesting.
By bringing empowerment, women were enfranchised. And then, the first thing after the enfranchisement was the appointment of 2 women into the House of Then make it possible for the women to stand election.
Okay, to stand election.
Yes.
Yes.
And then the appointed Margaret myself
Yes.
who stood election into the House of Kings.
On November 20, 1929, when he was only 25 years old, Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe wrote, and I quote, "Life torments me in derision, how it flickers like a torch, flagellating in precision, chaining me in gripping clutch. Life betrays my firm conviction, how my pride puerile I yield. Hearts may burn in predilection, yet they scream the open field."
Kanyi yobanu chukwu anya nepepele kanyi dindo anya kanka anya tesiawo kanyi wenye ibailo dano wano Okongu chalum n'ụzọ kanga ifi na-alụ ka m na-alụ nọ ndị bụ ụbọ yoyo yọbachukwu bebe ebele nọ ka ịdị ndụ ka nka chasi awọ ka ịbụrụ okongu n'okongu okongo abụrụ chacha fecha fecha na ngị bụ boyoyo mecha na ị ga-abụkwa okongo ị ga-enyekwa ndị ọzọ efe